You will wonder, she will let you more about this. And she works with the company. I mean, she runs her own company, V4 Web Technology Private Limited. So without wasting more time, I would like to formally introduce our keynote speaker to begin with, Dr. Vikram Singh, who's been kind enough to be part of this event. So let me just read a brief introduction about him. Uh, Dr. Vikram Singh is the Chancellor of Noida International University and retired Indian Police Service IPS officer. During his services, he has twice received President Police Medal for his long, distinguished, and meritorious services. Known was a man of steel, highest integrity and honesty. He is rated as a star speaker. He has also been awarded the President Police Medal for Glentree Bravery Award. And also, I could see he has written few books. One of it very favorite to me, I've read this. It's called Human Rights and Police, National Awarded President by National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi. And there are many more. So over to you, Dr. Vikram Singh. Welcome once again. And sir, now we would like to hear something from you.
Sir, you are mute.
So you have to unmute.
Sir, you are mute.
So sorry. Veena ji, thank you ever so much for allowing me to share the pedestal with a galaxy of wonderful participants from across the globe. Each one of you is a professional in her own and his own right, and it's my proud privilege to address and share the platform with you, respected Veena ji, Nirali Bhatia ji, Dr. Manjari ji, Miss Rekha ji, Mr. Rajiv Mathur ji, Mr. Sanjay ji, Major Paul, Captain Jaipreet Joshi ji, Miss Jyotsna Bhalla ji, Miss Sheila ji, Dr. Manjari ji, Miss Rao, Miss Rekha. Indeed, it is very seldom that I have felt self-conscious, but in the galaxy, the presence of such wonderful, such articulate people, indeed, it gives butterflies in my stomach today. But I will do my very best and tell you that women are not equal. Veena ji, you were way off the mark when you said women are equal. Women are not equal. Women are a generation ahead of men folk. And the taste is the fact that you have, like John McEnroe said, I won't speak, now my racket will speak. Women have left an indelible mark in the short span because the criticality came about 20 years ago when women entered into the security arena. I would not say Madam Kiran Bedi when she entered the IPS in 1972, and the rest is history. Kiran Bedi on one side and all of us on the other side. Similarly, women, when they entered the field, I created the UP Special Task Force in 1996 with not a single lady officer. Today, 50% of the STF and any sensitive organization, and that includes the RNAW and the IB, consist at least of 30% lady officers. And they are interested not only with the most sensitive electronic handling and the data management, and also the most sensitive of operations are handled and headed by ladies. You'll be proud to know the success rate of women is more than 99%. And also, the credibility is of the highest level. The credibility is of the highest level. We men folk have a reputation of being bought over once in a while. But I have yet to come across a single case where a lady executive or a lady security executive has been won over by an adversary or by a hostile nation. We must understand also that today security is a very hazardous profession. There is industrial espionage. There is asymmetric warfare. There is also espionage from our neighboring countries. And you know what? In any sensitive assignment, in any sensitive matters, the matter and the brief is handed over to a lady officer. This was when it was a cerebral aspect, the technology aspect. We have Dr. Manjari ji here doing such a great service. We also have professionals who are doing so much great work in cyber security and cyber counseling and cyber therapy as well. As I said, that COVID-19 is a mixed blessing. Yes, there is no option but to treat it as a mixed blessing. Indeed, all heads of crime have declined, but one head of crime that is alarmingly has increased, and very disturbingly, that is domestic violence. What was quality time has become great time, and great time has become unbearable time for very many situations. So handling of crisis resolution, peacemaking, conflict resolution, and investigation of domestic violence and suicides has become a very important aspect. You know what? If there is a survey today of who would they like to have as an investigator, and that includes Sushant's suicide in Mumbai and other 3 allied suicides and other suicides that are happening in the NCR area, the unanimous choice is a woman investigator. Don't you think it is something to be applauded about? Don't you think that is something that everybody should raise a toast for our lady investigators, that yes, they have come of age and maturity? Now, the next aspect is their credibility and their professionalism. Ask an investigator to conduct his job and finish the investigation professionally in 30 days. The normal thing is it will be completed in 45 days. Ask a lady investigator and the investigation would be completed in 21 days. And the rate of conviction, the lady investigators have a success story of running into 90% conviction. And gentlemen investigators, I'm so sorry to say, it is barely 50% to 55%. So this is the dichotomy. Therefore, there is no concept of equality between men and women. And I would now come to the combat rules. We have just talked of the cerebral inputs. Now let us come to the combat rules in security matters. We earlier had lady security professionals for ladies only, lady film stars, lady VIPs, lady politicians. But today there is a demand of lady security personnel and lady security executives, even for male film stars and male politicians. I myself, while in service, had a deputy SP by the name, she is now superintendent of police, a serving superintendent of police, Sadhana Goswami. I normally do not depend upon any security personnel for my own security, but Sadhana Goswami was a better shot than I was. She could handle, strip and assemble an AK-47 faster than I could ever do it. A lady and a sharpshooter, and then she met and almost gave nightmares to all members of the underworld wherever she was. So this is the quality and the 24-karat gold and a no-nonsense approach of our lady executives. Whether it is the combat role, whether it is investigation, whether it is arbitration, and whether it is handling the technology, and more importantly, the most crucial part is conflict resolution, damage control, investigations. These are the core strengths of lady security personnel. I would strongly recommend that a roadmap, Veena Gupta ji, to ensure that the technology part is reinforced as far as ladies are concerned. The counseling part, the hostage situation, the counseling part, and as far as now the COVID-19, we have come to a stage when the police forces all across the country and the paramilitary forces have worked round the clock and are almost at a breaking point. The disturbing fact of suicides in every force, they are increasing day by day. The COVID-19 infection to them and to the families is almost breaking them, and it is a tragedy. It is here that our lady security staff can be of tremendous value and value addition. They can counsel, they can speak on phone, organize webinars, console them. Look, the probability of getting COVID-19 is barely 10%, and that of dying is barely 2%, immensely less than getting a heart attack or dying of cancer or a road accident. But if I say it, perhaps it will be unconvincing कि साहब आता है, साहब जाता, पता नहीं क्या क्या कहता है. But if Veena Gupta ji says, Dr. Manjari Kapoor says that, it will have a lasting impact and value because it is coming from a lady. I don't know why, but probably they see their own mother or sister in you, and that is why what comes from the heart reaches the heart, and what comes from the tongue reaches, from one ear to the other, it goes out. I'm optimistic that you all respected ladies have a very bright future, and those gentlemen who are a part of the panel, if you know what is good for you, you will always give the most sensitive and the most demanding job to our lady executives. And I bless Veena Gupta ji and all of you. May God always bless your path. May you always be successful as always. Thank you so much for your time.
Veena, you need to unmute.
Veena, you're on mute.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful thoughts, and we'll all follow the same. Now, may I request Rakesh Sharma ji, who is the Vice President, Barclays Security Corporate Security, and he's the Commission Officer, Paramilitary Force, and he has so many things to read, but I will not waste much of time. So Rakesh, I'm sharing the screen. If you can just honor our guest speaker. There is this, sir, can you, let me share the screen. Wait a minute, I'm so sorry. This is what, okay. Can you,
No, we cannot see it yet.
okay.
You
Can
need
you,
to share it.
okay.
Yes, now we can see it.
Rakesh Sharma, sir, can you just honor our chief guest, our keynote
Thank you,
speaker?
thank you, Veena. This is for the first time I'm doing this kind of virtual, virtual handing over. But this is such a great honor, sir. I've heard about you a number of times in the past. Fortunately, today I had the opportunity. Unfortunately, not in person. Fortunately, at least I'm able to hear you, and I truly admire, sir, the way you have covered each and every aspect of what we were looking for, and providing all the insights about the woman in security, of course, the way beyond. So thank you so much for all your kind words and, of course, the insights, sharing your insights. So this is a virtual a token for you. So please accept it virtually. I know that it looked very odd, but this is from all of us. This is virtually for you to accept it virtually. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Mr. Rakesh Sharma. It's a privilege and honor. I'm extremely honored and humbled by your kindness. Thank you ever so much, Veena ji. Thank you ever so much, Rakesh Sharma, and distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I'm most grateful. Thank you so much.
We will request you to stay back for some time with us, sir, to honor other
Certainly.
participants.
Certainly.
Now, I will request my co-host, Nirali, to invite other guest speakers and to continue the ceremony.
Thank you so much, Veena. This was, after listening to Dr. Vikram, I am so motivated and so charged. So thank you so much, sir, for having the faith and blessing us with the vision that we really have. Of course, our vision is not to outnumber or outpower any men, but it's to do our jobs to our best abilities and in sync with each one of us using our own strengths. So thank you so much once again. I would take this opportunity now to introduce our next guest, that is Major Paul Devasi. He's a risk and a resilience professional with 25 plus years of experience, having wide-ranging experiences across hospitality, e-commerce, chemical and manufacturing, banking, ITS, and military. He's been serving as the RVP of ACES for South Asia. He also is strategizing, ideating, evolving, and rolling out of risk management solutions with a safety and security flavor across the business by establishing connect with strategic stakeholders. May I please request Major Paul Devasi to please share his thoughts on this.
Thank you, Nirali. Thanks for those words. But first of all, before I start off, I have a major crib against Veena. So Veena, next time, please don't call me for such ceremonies, especially when Dr. Vikram Singh is going to speak before me. Obviously, I can't speak like him, so that's a big disadvantage you put me at. So, but okay, let me start off and let me try my best.
Okay, I will ensure. I take.
No, okay. So here's the thing. So I have been around this block around from 25 years, and when I started off, I got commissioned 92, and then after that I came into the civil world in 98. So at that point of time in the security world, to see a woman was difficult, was impossible. And then slowly over the years, we have started seeing them be there. And so I've seen that. So when I went to Bombay for the different ACES meetings and other such meetings, I used to find these ladies coming there. So a whole lot of time, it's not because of they are not competent. Whole lot of time, it's they have their own doubts. Nobody has handheld them, and all of us, we men, don't handhold them. Not that they require hand holding. It's just a teeny weeny little bit of support telling that, oh, you know what, you guys are on the right path. Because we have also gone the same way. I have also fallen down. I have also flat on the face, and my friends and my colleagues have helped me up. Same thing. So we don't do that. So that's something which is wrong. So women in security, they have been doing a great job. I've see the number of ladies over here who are on this occupying places of power, and the way they speak, the way they conduct themselves, it's something really great. And so I, for one, uh, at home, whenever before I come and talk to any of y'all, I do verify it with my wife. So obviously my wife brings me down to Mother Earth. She has asked me some 5 whys. I think she was the person who invented this 5 why theory, and she asked me 5 times why, and then I'm totally what should I say, grounded. So that's one part of it. The next part is that you guys have got this, the woman's instinct. At times I make fun of it, all of us make fun of it, the eye for detail which women bring. So I do make fun of it, but at the end of it, I do realize that that's something important. I can't do that. So for me, I look at the big picture and I look at the big things, so that the small things which go there, I do miss out. So obviously I got my friends who cover up my shortcomings, but then that is something which you guys have. So let us not try and be in a battle of trying to replace each other. You guys have got a strength. Please play with your strengths. That's the most important thing. I can't replace you. You can't replace me. So let us remain secure in that knowledge and continue doing that work. So speaking about ACES, so in ACES, ACES is a worldwide body of security professionals. It's one of the world's largest thing, and a whole lot of us are there. Are a lot of certification which come which is associated with the ACES bodies. India, we got a very vibrant ACES bodies going around. We got chapters in Mumbai, we got in Delhi, and Delhi is the oldest. In fact, it's Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and now Hyderabad. And we're going to open one in Pune, and we're going to open one in Chennai. And if Sanjay Kaushik helps, we'll open one in Calcutta too. So these are the places that the coverage is going to happen, and that's a big thing. And we always look towards women folk. Unfortunately, as of today, we don't have any woman representation in the ACES committees across India. In fact, we got a position called Women in Security. So other than we cross-dressing, nobody else comes. So nobody, we don't have anybody. So I feel very sad for it. I know it's a joke, but then it's very sad that there are people who can do that job. And I think it is we men who have failed to tell them that what is the amount of time that's required. Because all of us have got similar type of roles and responsibilities. We got a day job, and then we got this work which is to be done in a volunteering work. And I'm a big believer in volunteering. Because I always believe that we must give back to the society, we must give back to the community. And even as women, each of you sitting over here, you guys are all now, like it or not, you guys are all senior people. You must ensure that the next generation of women security professionals starts growing. Because if you guys don't do it, who will? So that's the most important thing. In ACES, we have got this award called the Women Security Professional of the Year. So that is a nomination which goes out from here. We have been doing that a couple of times. One of our security professionals in Bangalore, she managed to get the award. This award is chosen across the country, across the globe. She had the fortune of going to the US and getting the award. So that is very good things. And one of the things which keep coming out, one of the things which keeps coming out when I talk to these people, the women security people, is, or when I speak to my counterparts in the different geographies, they're all act very surprised. They said, "Oh, you have got women who are doing security." So you say, "Yes, we have." So that, because unfortunately we got the image of the country, whatever it is, we got to live with it. But the most important thing is that it's time for y'all to step up. I would want that each of y'all step up. I would want that you all step up for volunteering. I step up for, I see a lot of people, I've seen Rekha, I've seen a couple of other people who comes and speaks, and they speak sense. There's a lot of sense. I mean, you can't differentiate that she's a lady, so that's why she's not speaking sense. No, nothing of that sort. All speak sense. It's now is the time that you all should step up. And I would like to see all of you all step up into this volunteering thing, to start to write, to start to project yourself, it's not that you are only projecting yourself, you're projecting a country. So the responsibility rests on your shoulders. And I'm very sure that each of you all will understand that. So that's it from my side. And I wish each of you all the very best. And thank you for inviting me here to listen to me. And Veena, please continue the excellent work. I would want to see uh, such work to continue at all points of time. For all of y'all who do not know, Veena, in spite of not being what should I say, a core committee member, she is very actively involved in pushing people to do CPP and other such certifications, which is a great thing. A person who is not doing it but still pushing people to do it, that's a big thing. So Veena, great job. Please continue to do the job. And you as a person started off with executive protection, which is something a very what should I say, breaking the glass ceiling. So that's a big thing, because when I came into this profession telling that woman security professional, I would have laughed. And doing executive protection, I would have laughed more louder. But no, now I'm being proven wrong. Happily, I'm being proven wrong. I'm very happy to see all of you guys doing this job. And we require your support. We require that other angle. Otherwise, the big problem with men is that we end up having this group think. And group think is disastrous for the growth of any organization. Like Dr. Vikram Singh said, uh, when he started off life, he had got no women in the police force, but then subsequently they have come up and they come up to speed and they're doing excellently well. So that's it. Veena, back to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for wonderful words. And I can vouch because I have spoken at ACES Mumbai. I have taken a workshop over there. Sanjeev Tiwari was the one who had invited me to ACES Mumbai. So I know the kind of work you guys do. So thank you so much. May I request Dr. Vikram Singh to felicitate Major Paul?
Major Paul is a very good personal friend, an excellent human being, so God-fearing, so upright. His hard looks are deceptive. He is soft inside and tender inside, like a true gentleman. It's my proud privilege to hand over this certificate of merit to you, Major Paul Devesi. I'm honored to be handing over this e-certificate to you with all my good wishes, greetings, and blessings.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you, sir.
very much. Please accept
Thank you.
this token of appreciation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I would now take the honors to invite our next guest, that is Mr. Sanjay Kaushik. He's a CFE, FCII, SCM, CATS, CCPS, CFAP, but he's also a managing director at Netrika Consulting India Private Limited, ARVP at ACES International Region 13A. So, Mr. Sanjay Kaushik, we can have a few words from you, please.
Thank you so much. I was never told that I had to speak today, and that's a big shock and surprise. But anyways, I'm happy to always be part where Veena and her team, and of course where the ACES is. So ACES has been very, very close to my heart. I've been associated with ACES since 2006. And it's been like many, many years when I have been part of the ACES community and trying to give it back to the community with something or the other which we can do. Major Paul said that, with ACES, we have Delhi chapter has been the oldest chapter. And I had the privilege of being the chapter chair for Delhi in 2014. And that was the time when we only had 2 chapters in India, which was Mumbai and Delhi used to cover the rest of India, and Mumbai was only Mumbai. So, we had been done good, and now we have multiple chapters. As far as concerning on the Delhi chapter and the participation of the women, we have 12 women professionals in ACES New Delhi chapter. So that's something big. And I know Veena have her own grudges against ACES Delhi, but I will not go into that. I will not touch base on that side, but Veena has been doing some good work. And just to tell you guys that if we talk about the women and the females, so our journey, when we come to this world, we start with the female, and the entire life we have been taken care by the females. when I started my career in 94 into this industry, it's been 26 years. Forget about women, it was hardly time to find even men, and this industry was known more on either a detective agencies or some kind of private security agencies which were looking into this. And the journey has been, from there it has graduated to risk consulting and risk mitigating companies and certain other things which have been done. And today I'm proud to say that more than 60% of my team members, we have a 200 plus team across India. So more than 60% of our team is female members. So you cannot discount and you cannot say that, they are equal. They have been definitely doing good and better than us. And like Dr. Vikram Singh said, that if you give a job on 30 days, it will be completed in 21 days. I'm totally with you, sir. Totally echo your sentiments and agree with that. The kind of work these girls or the females can do, we probably are too distracted. We too are too distracted and multiple other things where we fail. But to give you that, and Paul sir, on the Calcutta, we definitely will have a Calcutta chapter before we end the year. Before December, we should have a Calcutta chapter on this. So I think I was not prepared for this at all to speak, but whatever came in my mind, I just spoke my heart out. But thank you so much. Most of the people here on this forum, luckily, I'm lucky to say that I know most of you guys, and it's good to make an acquaintance with the others whom I don't know, or like Dr. Manjari Kapoor, hopefully you will remember me next. So it's good to make an acquaintance with all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Sanjay. I would also take this opportunity to personally thank you for encouraging my husband, Ritesh Bhatia, to take up his CFE. And he passed it with the flying colors, and he was extremely happy to tell me, oh, this is Sanjay who's really helped me. So once again.
I and Ritesh met very, very recently in Dubai, but just before the lockdown happened, we were traveling to Dubai in one of the conferences, and we were participating in a CFE, ACFE fraud conference, and we are in India. We are Netrika are the only authorized trainers for CFE. But I and Ritesh connected and clicked very, very well in just one meeting. And he's a gentleman, and I really personally like him very well.
Thank you.
And I was so happy. I was so happy when he passed his CFE, and he was like a bit hesitant. And even after the exam, he was telling me that they're going to review and all. And I said, congratulations, just 2 beers for me. You owe me 2 beers, and that's all.
Absolutely, absolutely. He does, because he was really not very sure until he spoke to you. So that's a personal thank you note. I took this platform to actually. So now I would really request Dr. May I ask please Anirudh Sharma to mute himself? Veena, can you please mute everyone else so we don't have these? We would want Dr. Vikram to felicitate Mr. Sanjay. Veena, can you mute him, please?
Okay, yeah, he did. So
no, he's not muted.
He's done.
update करना है
Where's the other? Okay.
We can still go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Nirali, can you just
yes.
share? Yeah. So we'll call. So can you request Dr. Vikram Singh?
Certainly. It's my proud privilege to felicitate the silver-tongued Mr. Sanjay Kaushik. He has a kind word for everyone, and even if a half-dead person comes to him after meeting him and a warm handshake, he returns wiser, happier, and much more live than ever before. Congratulations. The world needs more people like you, Mr. Kaushik. God bless you. And here is a token of honor and respect to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really appreciate your kind words.
Right.
Mr. Sanjay, we would request you to please stay with us for some more time. We now begin with our felicitation ceremony, and for this we would invite Major Paul. to please felicitate the names as you see on the screen. Veena, can you please run your screen, share your screen and run the
Okay,
presentation?
so let me just see who all is there.
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm so sorry. Actually, again, it's a technology that's its date is wrong, so I don't want to change the screen now. It will take lots of times, but apologies for the same error. I will share the right screen later on by email. So please ignore this June stuff. Yeah, no, Nirali, no, but it's fine. Actually, 17 June. Why we? Yeah, it's a right.
It's
Okay.
a month ago.
So
Yes.
sorry, we don't have Brittany. She will be joining later. Then Gabriela also not joined. Lieutenant Colonel Himani will be joining later. So we have Ela with us. If we can do the honor, Major Paul, to Ela Hlongani. Ela, are you there?
Yes, I am. Yes. Hi.
Hi. Okay. Hi. Seema. Yeah.
Veena.
Sorry. Veena. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So
It's
Veena,
the
you know,
name.
tell me something about Ela. I'm sorry, Ela. My apologies. I don't know too much. I don't know about you. So next time, Veena, you must give out a small write-up about the people so that we can speak something. तो फिर खाली बस ये लो पकड़ो करके
Okay.
बोलना पड़ेगा.
Yeah,
Acha.
because you were not there in the
The
webinar.
first-
That's why.
Yes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My apologies.
So she's a risk management advisor and ex-secretary OSAC. If everybody knows her, she's the ex-secretary OSAC.
Oh yes.
Yeah, you. That's okay. So that's for Ela.
Okay. So Ela, so this is the first time I'm doing this, giving a e-certificate to a person who's sitting thousands of kilometers away. So here's to you.
Not thousands of kilometers away, unless you're somewhere
And I'm in
outside the
Bangalore.
country.
Mr. Paul is traveling. He's not in Delhi.
And then I'm in Bangalore. That's why I told
Right,
1,000.
but virtually it's just the same. Right?
Yeah. So I congratulate you. Thank you. And please keep up the good work. And remember what I told you, ladies. You've got a big burden to carry. Please accept the certificate. And remember, this is the starting point. Thank you. Thank you for your services.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ela. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Now we have Josna Bhala with us. Josna, are you there? Josna Bhala. She was there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, she's there.
Veena,
She-
you can introduce her. as well.
Okay. She's the Vice President, Client Relation, AP Securitas.
Guys, can I request everyone else to please keep yourself on mute? We are hearing your personal talks and your personal official talks, which could be a privacy matter. Can I request you to please keep on your mute?
With the co-host, just move.
Yeah, wait, I will
Okay.
try to mute everyone.
Yeah. So, Josna, thanks very much for attending our seminar.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very
So,
much. Thank you very much to be part of this association.
Thank you. So Jyotsna, I know her. I've met her a couple of times. So Jyotsna, thank you. Thank you for the excellent work. You are a trendsetter.
Thank you.
Being in the society, being in the service that you are, it requires a lot of, what should I say, breaking your head over hard matters. And you've been doing that consistently. So kudos to you. Like I said, please continue the good job.
Thank you, sir.
Don't
Thank
stop.
you very much.
Got a long way to
I've
go.
been learning so many things from ACES. I've been learning so many things from ACES, from VS, and attending. And I really thank you all for spreading this the information. Veena is really kind. I'm also part of the CPP group, where though I'm also one of the aspirant, planning to do it in some time, because learning is never ending. That's my belief. And thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have Dr. Macrina Rao. Dr. Macrina, can we see you here? Can you click your screen?
Hi, how are you?
Very
Thank
fine,
you.
thanks. So as I said, she is the president for International Septet Association in US, Latin America actually. And so Major Paul, if you can do the honor.
So Macarena, I mean, others would also seen it, but I saw the beautiful Persian cat which was roaming around behind you. So,
Thank you.
yeah, so good job. So here's to you. So congratulations. Thank you for the excellent job. We require people like you to be in this industry. Very important that you touch base and remain connected with us. Uh, India is growing, and the women in India are growing much faster than India. So we require people, our support for us to grow. Thank you. So please accept the certificate from my side. Great job done. Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
making
Thank
it
you
up.
for you to have this vibrant network and to invite me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So next we have Dr. Manjari Kapoor. Can we see the screen, Dr. Manjari Kapoor?
Hi, this is Manjari.
So she's the practicing security architect, and also she's heading the India region for SAPTED.
So Dr. Manjari, so it's my loss that I have not met you earlier, and we shall address that soon. I shall be taking your number from Veena, and I shall be interacting with you. That's very important for me. And thank you for, and you told CPTED, CPTED.
Crime
Crime
prevention
through
environmental design.
Okay, so that's a big thing. That's a big thing. So CPTED is something big that a lot of us do not understand. I am just at the beginning of it. I still don't understand a lot of stuff in that, and you are doing that's a big thing that you're doing. And like I said, you're a lady, so you got to carry a bigger load, and I expect you to do that. And because the next generation of women security professional are dependent upon the way you guys address yourself and the way you guys conduct yourself. But
So
thank
I'm
you.
also
Thank you,
certified in SAPTED, by the way.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
One way. So that's how we got connected. So I think now we have.
If you allow me, Meena ji, I'll just take 1 minute to add,
Sure.
because I and Macarena typically are not from the security professional background. We are architects by qualification and many years professional practice. But in fact, am working towards bridging the gap between the world of architecture and security, where we feel that you can achieve the best results in security if you bridge this gap and you integrate security into design. That's our submission.
Totally. I'm totally sold on that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Major Paul.
Thank you. Then we have Rekha Girola, and everybody knows her. So may I request Rekha to click on your screen?
Yeah. Hi. Thanks, Veena.
So Rekha, so I'm waiting for that. So Rekha, congratulations, and so great job done. And please continue to be the torchbearer of security, women force in security. I'm very sure that in a year or two from now, I'll not need to say that. You guys will be everywhere, and I expect to see that. And so if by next year I don't see any of y'all in on the chapters or the core committee of the different ACES chapters, well, something is wrong.
Well,
From our side, not from your side, from our side. And please continue to do the great job, and looking forward to again speak to you and interact with you. Great job done.
Thanks so much, Paul. Thanks very much. I think this kind of platform wherein we really need to invite people who can just talk about security and the evolving structure of security, and then this gender discrimination, so to say. I would not use the word discrimination, because now we are kind of actually crossed that particular line of discrimination. It is more of the equity, wherein we come together as professionals rather than women in security and men in security. And I think that should be the ultimate goal of addressing each other as security professionals than women in security or men in security. So
Thank you.
Thank you.
Totally,
Thanks.
totally.
Actually, it was Rekha's idea initially when we started doing this event and thought process. She said, let's do it deliberately. It was nothing anti of the gender. It's just like, we thought of it to make it more bigger, to involve more people like you and supported advisor. And thanks to all of you, that is getting better day by day. Thanks once again, Rekha and the entire speakers. Now we have Shayla. She's from Singapore, and she runs her own security company. She's the young director. May I invite Shayla?
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Sheila.
Hello.
So great job. because being a woman security professional and being in this particular industry anywhere in South Asia is a big job. So great job done, and thank you for doing this job. Thank you for supporting the women in security. And Sheila, just for information, there is a ACES chapter in Singapore too.
That's right. Yes, that's right. We're actually members of that. My father is actually a member.
Okay, good.
Of the ACES
Wonderful.
chapter.
So should you be.
I think you would know his father. What's your father name? Major. I always forget his name.
Pono Kalastri.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you made me.
Yeah.
So, I just want to say thank you to everyone for to Veena for inviting me, and to all the panelists and all the other speakers for sharing. And it's been very humbling and inspiring.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, now so we don't have Major Varshita. Varshita, are you there? I could not see her. Okay, so now thank you. Nirali, are you there? Actually,
yes, I am there.
Thank you, Major Paul, for doing this honor to all the speakers. I would request now Sanjay Kaushik back to the stage and do the honors to our moderator and last event co-host. So may I request Sanjay Kaushik ji to give away this certificate if he's there?
Yeah.
Okay, so may I again request Rajiv Mathur, who was our moderator, and he was the only man when we were doing this security, beyond security event, and he's been humble enough to host us. Rajiv, can we see you on screen, please?
Yes, hi, thank you.
Thank you.
So Rajiv, great job, and bravo to you for speaking in between the women. So something which is a very difficult task, and I'm glad that you were able to speak and moderate these women, which is the most of his task. So great job, and thank you so much, and keep doing the great work. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
Rajiv.
you, thank you. Thank you so much. It was definitely an honor to me to be amongst all the learned panel of women. And I think I second what Rekha just said, and I also said on the day of this webinar, the day we will stop discussing about this men and women in security, we'll be successful.
Absolutely.
True.
Maybe
so
sooner
now,
than later. Thank you so much.
Okay. So we have next Nirali, since she was part of the event. So can Nirali, can we see you on the screen, please, to receive the?
I am here.
Yeah, Nirali, it's really a privilege and to know you as not only as a professional who's doing something great, and cybersecurity has been close to my heart as well, and a great subject, and something which needs a very, very huge effort, and especially on the cyber psychology, which I was told that you're doing. I think this is something which is needed, and when we see a lot of cases of young people dying of playing PUBG and similar games and certain things, and the kind of addiction people have, I think you're doing a great favor to the society which you're doing. And it's again good to know you as wife of my dear friend. So it's a double bonanza for me to know a person like you. So thank you, and great work you've been doing. So keep up the great work.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. So while I am in middle of, all these ladies who've been into cybersecurity technically, not only ladies, even the men who are taking care of the technical aspects of the security, my main focus has been about people. How do we secure them? How do we secure systems against the insider threats? I mean, your recent Twitter breach is exact example that it's not just the machines that need security, not just the systems, but also people. And that's where I've been contributing. So thank you so much. This has been a lovely platform.
Yeah, very true. In fact, in all of my forums and all the places where I speak on cybersecurity, I say whatever capex you want to do on the big things, AI, ML, Internet of Things, and you want to put firewalls and put everything, but the weakest link in the entire cybersecurity is the human being. And if your people are not trained and if you're not aware, I think the entire money which you put in there can go for a six. And that's what we have seen in recent hack of Twitter, which has happened there. So great job. Thank you.
Thank you, Nirali.
Thank you.
And now we have Santosh Pathak, who was our media partner, India Link Security, but his son is not well, so he said apologies for not being here, but we will pass on this message from your end, Sanjay. And then we have our NGO treasurer, who's also not here. The Indu Sani, she's our secretary, the VAS NGO. And okay, thanks Sanjay once again for honoring this certification. Now, Nirali, may I take the honor to invite Dr. Vikram Singh once again to honor our supporters. Dr. Vikram Singh, can we see you on screen, please? Once again, may I request you to please honor our associate, ACES Delhi chapter 2007. Dr. Vikram, are you there?
It's not 2007, it's 207.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, my mistake. 207. Okay, so Manish, are you there?
He left at 5:40, Veena.
Okay.
Message.
Okay, fine. So maybe, so we have Diwakar.
Yes, I'm very much here.
Okay, Diwakar, can you accept the token of appreciation? Can somebody see Dr. Vikram Singh?
No, he doesn't seem to be.
I told you he left. He's written in the chat.
Oh, okay. So maybe Major Paul, if you can do the honors,
He's
please.
left a message in the chat box. And, yeah, he's left
So
a
Major,
message in the chat
okay,
box.
may I request Major Paul once again to do the honor? Is he there, Major Paul?
Yes. I'm there.
Sir Manish Datta has left, so this is his certificate.
Okay, thank you. And so guys who do not know Manish Datta, he has been working a lot with respect to ACES and the security community. Earlier he was at Mumbai and now he's at Delhi, and wherever he has gone, he has been keeping on contributing. And something which I like about him is that he's persistent about the work that he's doing. Over and above the daily work that he's doing, he's working as a security company wherein they are doing their work. So he is, as all good consultants, they're always tied up with calls, but in spite of that, he does a great job. Unfortunately, I'm telling all the good things behind his back.
No, thanks very much. He's been great supporter, and thanks to him that all of us are here. Then we have Diwakar. Thanks very much, Diwakar. If you can accept the token of appreciation from the team, from all of us.
Thank you, Diwakar. And as always, great job being done. And this is not the end of it. We expect more to come.
Thank you, Paul sir. Thank you, Veena. On behalf of Manish sir and myself, I thank Veena and the team. And we will continue to partner and contribute as a security professional, not as a lady or a gentleman. Thank you.
Thank you. And then we have Mahesh Singh. Is Mahesh here?
Mahesh is traveling, so he is unable to join.
Fine.
Kanwar was there.
Okay, Kanwar, is he there?
Yeah, Veena, I'm here.
Thanks, Kanwar, for supporting us. So, Major Paul, if you can just do the honors, please.
Hey, Kanwar. So great job done. Please continue the great job. Please continue to keep up the fire. We expect bigger things from the Delhi chapter. I keep telling that to Manish and to Sanjay. I'm very sure that they must be telling the same thing to you guys. So you guys have to keep on working. I'm not going to leave you guys. But great job done. Thank you. Thank you for the service that you're doing.
Thank you once again. And then last not the least, somebody can give me the certificate also for attending.
Oh, my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I will do it. So Veena has been a great person. So whenever I met her, she has been different. So I used to always wonder that कि ये महिला executive protection क्या कर रही है? But obviously she's got her head on the right direction and she knows what she is doing and the way she's been conducting herself. And she does a lot of philanthropic works also, which is very good. And it is required at this point of time during these difficult times when not so fortunate people are in their trouble. She's doing that. All in all, a great human being. Thank you, Veena. Please continue to do the great work.
Thank you. So I think we have done all the certificates. If anybody left, please apologies for that, but I'm sure that we have done most of them. So I'll stop the screen. And all right. So thanks once again, everyone. So it's not a formal, maybe that Sanjay can give the keynote speech but I would request everyone to stay back for a few moments, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. My daughter is there, though she's very nervous. I'm requesting her to at least come up on the screen. So if you allow me, I'll introduce Sana. Are you there? Can you? Okay. So she's yes. Sana.
I'm there. Hello.
Hi, Sana.
She's BBA from Kingston University. She is a graduate and has been working with a company called Debure for almost a year. Due to pandemic, global pandemic, the company has closed down the operation. So I forced her to enter into something her own startup, and this is what she started as, and to support most of the entrepreneurs or the people who have lost their job. And I'm sure, Sana, you're not nervous and you can make it. So over to you, Sana.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am honored and nervous to be here in the presence of such senior and eminent speakers and my friends and my family and like literally everyone. Um, okay, let's begin with the presentation. I'll just share the screen with all of you. Um, hmm. Okay, can you guys all see
Yes.
the presentation? Okay, so as we all know, COVID-19 is a time of great stress and uncertainty. And it is also a moment in time when the work we are doing is its most critical. A lot of various businesses, shops, stores have been forced to shut their doors. The COVID-19 lockdown has also brought the retail sector almost down to their knees. And um, this is, I mean, this is this period has created a stream of unemployment, and that it has also left the population thinking of a plan of action, what are we going to do next? Is there any job available for us? Are we going to get the job in the profile we're looking for? Or is there any security for us? And I myself, as my mom told you guys, I was working in an experiential travel startup company, and because travel industry has been crashed down, most of us were furloughed 3 to 4 months ago. And yeah, so I mean, wait, oh shit, I'm sorry. Okay, so I just wanted to say that my focus has been wholly now on COVID-19 and how we can make the best of it, how we can create some employment, and how we can basically okay. I okay, I'm just gonna present you guys. Yeah, no, it's fine. I'm just gonna present you the key products that our e-commerce portal is gonna consist of, so that you guys would get an idea. So this is a list of products, of our safety products. We have medical PPE kit, which consists of all the suit, from mask to gloves and everything. Then we have sanitizers, we have a touch-free stand, we have nano mist sprayer, we have thermometer, we have sanitizer pen spray, we have nitrile gloves, we have automated dispenser. And I'm just gonna brief a little about all the products. So, okay. So we have different kind of masks. We have N95, we have cotton handmade masks, we have fashion masks, we have colorful masks. And the interesting part is that my own Marcy is helping us with the production of the mask. I mean, we're just like nowadays. I think during this time, the most important thing is survival rather than generating revenues. And to survive, I think if we help each other, um, that's how I think we can survive right now, and that is what is most important. So you can see we have all kinds of masks, and I love all these masks because like and you can like literally any mask, N95, N95, you want black, you want blue, you want this, you can literally customize your mask, and we have it in all range of prices. Then sanitizer. So okay, another interesting story, like I forgot to mention that this is also a vertical that is run and marketed and delivered by young entrepreneurs, including me. Now that everything is established, I am hoping to get my own team for specifically for this e-commerce portal, so then I can say that this is actually run by young entrepreneurs, not just me or my mom. So the sanitizer that we have, this this is a factory in Haridwar, and coincidentally, the person who we were in contact with is a mutual friend of mine, who also started working recently because he got an idea to like to survive and to grow his business during this time. We have the sanitizers in all kinds. We have it in 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml, and 5 liter, and they're all with 70% isopropyl alcohol. And yes, we've already delivered quite a few sanitizers now, and they're actually pretty nice. Like they have a fragrance of lemongrass, so I hope they go out. Then we have a touch-free stand, which is foot operated. Now this is wait, what just happened? I'm sorry, give me a minute. Yeah. Now this is oh wait. Sorry. Okay, this is touch-free stand. I know you guys are getting late. I mean, the whole certification, everything took a lot of time. I'm just going to quickly wrap this up. This is very convenient. This is, unless you're a monster and you stomp on it, this is completely very convenient, and like you don't need to. It's very smooth when you press it. Then we have Nanomist sprayer. Its original use is for hydrating your face, but at the same time you can use it to sanitize your car. If you fill it up, it goes on for at least 25 to 30 minutes, which is more than enough for your car to get sanitized. Then we have infrared thermometer. This has both in Celsius and Fahrenheit, so you can choose. And I think this is the most important product that we have in our lives right now, because without this, I don't think you can enter even your own home, because this is pen sanitizer spray. Now these are actually as fun as they look. I mean, this gives you 50 sprays, and these are very convenient. These are also very fidgety, like the fidgety toys that used to come if you're if you have anxiety, or if you just you're tense or anything. So this is kind of like a multi-useful thing. This has a blue ink as well. You can sanitize as well. You can just take it out of your pocket and just spray on the lift and then enter a premises or anything. Then we have nitrile gloves. These have 5 to 6 GSM of thickness, which is the required, requirement. This is the automated sanitizer dispenser, which is a hygienic hands-free solution, and this is usually for corporate and official use. I don't think any person living just with family would buy it for their homes, but this is specifically for corporate and official use. This is our new product. This is the festive Rakhi special basket, and basically our basket would provide you with the basic amenities, which is 1 sanitizer, 2 sanitizers, 2 pens, 1 nano mist sprayer, and 1 standard rakhi, tika, and rice box, and 1 mask, which is 3-ply. So basically, you can gift your brothers and sisters this whole rakhi safety special basket, and yeah, that's these are the main key products of our website.
So can you just showcase the portal so that
yeah, do we have Dr.
No, he has left, so you can just open the portal and then we inaugurate. So thanks everyone.
Okay.
So we just open the portal and we just count 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. You can just click and share the screen, and in the presence of everyone, we would like to wish you, Sana, more to go and good luck. If you can just share your.
I am.
We have. Do we have somebody like Major Paul or Dr. Vikram Singh or anybody who
Yeah,
would like to?
anyone who would like to just.
Who would like to open this on their web portal? Maybe somebody can just open from the. Okay, maybe you can just open
Yeah,
it.
I'm just trying to do it. Hold
Okay, okay. So Sanjay sir, if you can just inaugurate this link, you can just open it www.seamsafety.com and share the screen. So we help.
So shall I stop sharing?
Yeah, you stop sharing. He will share. And,
okay.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Sana, for the nice
presentation. Thank you, everyone, for
Can I take a few minutes to just speak about Sana, because I know her personally. I think she's a very strong person. She has her head at the right place, and I think it's a very good move, Veena. I really respect that, and I really, really wish grand success to you, Sana, in your endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you for inaugurating officially.
Yeah, all the best, Sana. It's good to see the younger generation coming up as an entrepreneurs, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much. I mean, do order though, please. Like,
yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
at least
sure.
one thing, or just like, yeah.
I'm going to definitely order masks from your site.
Yes, same for me.
Okay. Thank you.
Masks are really nice, so we'll connect.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. So I officially Sanjay. Okay. So I officially thanks everyone for being with us. Maybe I can let Sanjay close the screen, then we'll say bye to each other. So now I could see Himani is here. Himani, we missed you, and we have Manish Datta also. So Manish ji, can you honor Himani because she was not there while we were giving the certificate? So may I request Manish sir to honor and give the certificate to Himani ma'am. Let me share the screen once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I actually got stuck up in something.
No, it's okay. Let me just pull the. Okay. Yeah. So Manish sir, if you can just do the honor to felicitate Lieutenant Colonel Himani.
Thank you, Veena. I think it's a great privilege for me to basically speak a little about Himani.
Please, sir.
I've known her for about close to 2 years now, and when we hear the name Himani, I can clearly say that she has been creating waves in the industry, in the fraternity. So wherever she has been going, she has been speaking. We have always heard good things coming back to the fraternity. Also blessed to inform the group members on this webinar that Himani Thapliyal is the Woman in Security Liaison for ACES New Delhi Chapter 207 for the current year 2020.
Wow.
And, it's a real pleasure to have her on board.
Thank you. Welcome.
Congratulations, Himani.
Thank you.
Many,
Thank
many
you
more
so
to
much, sir.
Congrats, Himani.
Thank you. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. Thank you.
Okay. Now, since we have Manish with us, Sanjay Kaushik, can I request you to honor Manish sir also?
It's a real pleasure and privilege to honor my chapter chair, and a great friend and a great client and a great, buddy. We have, known each other for many, many years and have worked together in multiple areas. He has been a client, he has been a student, and he's a good student. Let me tell you, he's done a lot of courses with us, and he's been a client to us, and he's been a good friend, and we've been doing good. So it's a privilege and honor to felicitate Manish Datta, and the kind of work which he has been doing as a chapter chair in ACES Delhi is something which is great and unparalleled to see. The kind of passion he have for ACES is something which I really don't see in any of the other people, and I haven't seen in my all the association with the ACES for all these years. So great doing, sir, and you've been really, really doing the great work. Keep up the flag high and high and high. Thank you so much, and I take the privilege to give you this e-certificate. Thank you.
I copy the same. Like, he's been a great supporter and really like a great supporter who always pushes us, and it really motivates us to do more. And so I'll stop the screen and formally, Nirali, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, yeah, we can see Diwakar. Would you like to say a few words?
On Manisha or what?
No, for all of us, since we are the colleagues
Okay.
now.
So first on Manisha, because we missed initially when Paul sir was introducing and saying something about Manisha. And I will echo what Sanjay said, the way he drives. And Sanjay, you are not on this side of the table when we have to listen to him and how hard he comes on us for not doing things on time. Coming back to SEAM Global, Veena and Sana, you have delivered this PPT wonderful. Great job done, beta. And I'm sure you will, fly high. All the very best to you. Thank you, Veena. All the best.
Thank you very much. Formally, I'll thanks everyone, all the speakers, all the co-hosts, all the partners, associate, ACES, and all the distinguished guests and hosts and guest of honors. Thanks very much once again. See you soon. I formally close the ceremony. And thanks, Nirali. Thanks, Rajiv. Thanks, Macarena. Thanks, Imani. Thanks, Sheila. Thanks, Karan, Neve, Shaila, Deepak, whoever I could say. Thanks, Kanwar. Thanks, everyone, once again for your blessings to Sana. Thanks, Sana, for giving such a great presentation. So she was nervous, but she did well. And Meri izzat bacha li aapne. Thanks very much. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Jai Hind.
Bye. Thanks,
Jai
everyone.
Hind. Thank you.
I will be sharing the certificate through email to everyone.
Sure. Thank you.
Thanks.